Welcome to Career Science. Today we are going to solve an amazing math question. I hope you enjoyed the video. You can pause the video to try your hands on the question before we solve it together. Without wasting my time, let's solve it together. Good. We have x to the exponent 2 on 3 plus 3 times x to the exponent 1 on 3 minus 10 equals 0. Is there anything we can do here? You think about this. Should I give you some time? Okay, let me show you what I'll do. Maybe you lose something. So when you have 1 on 3, what's the relationship? Realize that 1 on 3 equals 1 on 3 times 2. 2 on 3 equals 1 on 3 times 2. Meaning, if you have x to the exponent 1 on 3, and you square it, you are supposed to get x to the exponent 2 on 3. Because from the laws of indices, when you have a, maybe a to the exponent b is the same as a times what? B. Very fine. So it means we can bring out x to the exponent 1 on 3. Let's look at how it will be like. Good. So we have x to the exponent 1 on 3 all squared plus 3x to the exponent 1 on 3 minus 10 equals 0. Very fine. Now let's say we want to represent x to the exponent 1 on 3 by any variable. So a. Let a be equals to x to the exponent 1 on 3. I'm using a. You can use anything, it's correct. Once you get the answer. We have a squared. So you see, anywhere you see x to the exponent 1 on 3, you put a there. So here you put a there, you put a there. For the negative 10, it's a to the exponent 0, so you don't really worry yourself. Okay, so we have a squared plus 3a minus 10 equals 0. Now, negative 10. Negative 10. You look for factors of negative 10 that when you multiply will give you, that when you add will give you 3. Fine. Okay, so we have some of the factors to be 5 and negative 2. When I add 5 and negative 2, I get positive 3, meaning these two satisfy. So I have a plus 5 multiplying a minus 2 equals 0. You do it simple as that. So yes, that's how it will be. If you have this, then you can say a plus 5 equals 0 or a minus 2 equals 0. Now, you bring the 5 to the other side and you get a equals negative 5. Then the negative 2 to send to the other side. So you get a equals negative 5 or a equals 2. We are not done yet. We are not done yet. Yes. So when we get here, you have to continue because the question says solve for x. And you found a. So let's go back to find our x. So we earlier said a is equal to what? X to the exponent 1/3. So now let's bring back our x to the exponent 1/3. We know x to the exponent 1/3 is the same as the cube root or something. So to eradicate the cube root or the 1/3 root, all we do is to cube both sides. So when we cube both sides, we have x to the exponent 1/3 cube equals negative 5 cube, or x to the exponent 1/3 cube equals 2 cube. And we know when we have x to the exponent 1/3 cube is the same as this times 3, 1. So x equals negative 5 cube, negative 5 times negative 5 times negative 5. We know that is what? Negative 125. This will give us positive, but this is negative 2 here. So we get negative 125. So x equals negative 125 or x equals 8. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you. Bye-bye.